everyone, and thank you for selecting my video to tune your precious time into. My name is Kaya, for those of you who do not know. So today's video is going to be on this look right here that you see. Today is the start for my 4-day series, which is including this Morphe 39A palette. And as you guys know, since you may know or you may not know, so this palette has like a bunch of range of shades. It's literally one of the best palettes ever that Morphe has come out with, from my opinion. But if you don't know, so this palette has like a bunch of transition shades, and then it has all of these different color range shades. So I was watching Jaclyn Hill's Snapchat story one day, and she explained how the 39A palette is supposed to have like its own section of color ranges for basically for you to create different eye looks. So that's why I'm going with the 4-day series, because if you cut it in between here, these 8 shades over here are one color series, and then this is one color series, and then these 8 shades are one color series, and then these 8 are one color series. So I'm starting off with this blue range shades of colors from my 4-day series, and this is the eye look that I came up with this palette. So that's basically, long story short, of how this 4-day series came about, using this beautiful Morphe 39A palette. So before I let you go, please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I really would appreciate it. The family is growing. So if you like what you see, please continue to watch, and we're just going to jump on into it. Okay, so to start, I'm going to prime my my lids with some concealer from LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Fawn, and I'm just going to set that with some powder. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and jump into this beautiful palette. First, I'm going to jump into the shade Define Me, and I'm using a NYX blending brush, and then I'm going to mix that color with the shade Sculpt, and we're also going to use the same brush to just put that into my crease as a transition shade. Alright, next, to define the crease, we're going to jump into the shade Indigo, and I'm going to use a bullet shaped brush, and this is from BH Cosmetics. It's from their Rose Gold collection. I'm just going to build that color up in my crease, as you see here, until I get the color payoff that I want. And just to make sure that the lines aren't as harsh, I'm just going to blend that out with the clean blending brush from Morphe. I believe that is the 339 brush. I could be wrong about that though. Next, I'm jumping into Slice, and just to bear that color out just a little bit, we're going to put that into the same area as Indigo with the same bullet brush, just to build up the intensity of the color. Okay, and I'm just going to continue to blend out that color. Next, I am going to jump into Dare Me, and I'm going to pat that onto the outer corner and inner corner of the eye, first coating my brush with a little bit of Mario Badescu spray. And we're just going to build that color up in the outer corner and inner corner. Alright, and then in the center, we're going to jump into the shade Cooler, or Color, as I would pronounce it. And we're just going to build that color up in the center of the eye and just build up the intensity. And then next, we're going to jump into Tailor, and just apply that to the same area that we applied color, and just build up the intensity of that color. Next, I'm using a new brand of lashes. These are Her by Zanti, and then they're in the style Kim. I love these lashes, y'all. If you do not have them in your life, I would definitely recommend it. I will put the link below so you can purchase them. These were sent to me by the owner of the company, and I am just showing you guys how wonderful they are once I get them applied. They are really beautiful, and you can get up to 25 to 30 wears out of them, which is what I really appreciate. I've been wearing these lashes for the last, I don't know how many days, but gotta give them a rest because that's just how much I love them and how much I've worn them. Alright, and now I'm just priming my eyelashes with the CoverGirl Peacock Mascara. We're just going to add a little bit of glitter using the NYX Liquid Crystal Glitter. I'm just going to apply that into the inner part of my eyes, you see here.
Alright, and once I'm done applying that glitter, I'm just going to pop on the lashes, and that basically completes this eye look, guys. I'm just going to run through the face really quickly, and then we're just going to finish off the look. And that will be all for the first day series for the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette.